There's any number of challenges that one can think when we think about the Middle East and North Africa, particularly over a period of about 100 years, which is what the conference is trying to look at. Of all of these, if one tries to find a sort of an overarching component of that, to that equation, it would be the notion of statehood, this notion of an elusive and absent, a difficult state-building process. And for the past couple of decades, it has been the main challenge socially, economically, obviously, politically, militarily.
One of the major difficulties is establishing what exactly is a state. So what is it that we want to build? What's the threshold? At what point are we satisfied? What kind of problems can we accept? And what problems do we actually have to solve?
The problem of the state is central not only to the region, but to the global order. The state that has been built in the region is a sort of imported state. It is like doing a heart transplant that doesn't succeed. The state in the Middle East is meeting a series of problems more or less at the same time rather than in sequence. Europe had about 200 or 300 years or 400 years to deal with these problems. National integration, creating a state identity rather than an ethnic identity, dealing with economic problems, political participation.
One of the biggest challenges today in states, perhaps not only in the Middle East but across the region, is the issue of corruption, which often it's being said that it's become a democratized corruption. It's no longer just the elites, but it's actually taking place at multiple levels within state institutions.